Hello friends, so today we start a cyclostomata. Class cyclostomata are included in phylum Chordata and division Agnatha. Agnatha means jaw-less animals. Jaw-less animals are cyclostomes. Why it's called cyclostomes? Because they have the suckers on their anterior side of body. उनके body के anterior side है, they have the suckers. Okay, so सकर्स हैं. सेकेंड थिंग कि जोस की बजाय इंस्टेड ऑफ जोस दे हैव दी सकर्स. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सकर्स दे आर एक्टोपैरासाइट्स. ओके, दे आर एक्टोपैरासाइट. दे पैरासाइट्स ऑन दी लार्ज फिशेस, और जो बिग फिशेस हैं दे आर एक्टोपैरासाइट ऑन देम. ओके, सो दे सक द न्यूट्रिएंट मटेरियल फ्रॉम दी होस्ट बॉडी. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग, दे आर एक्सक्लूसिवली मराइन एनिमल्स. ओके, they are exclusively marine animals. So body is eel-like, fish-like, elongated, cylindrical, bilaterally symmetrical, but the paired fins are absent. उनके अंदर paired fins जो fish की जैसा होता है, they are not having the paired fins. Okay, so paired fins are absent. Second thing, the exoskeleton is also absent. जो exoskeleton है वो भी absent है. Exoskeleton is absent. So there is no scales at all. Okay, second thing, okay, the gill slits are open. So around 6 to 15 or 14 gill slits are there. So gill slits are open. There is no cover on the gill slits. Gill slits are open. Endoskeleton of that cyclostome, the endoskeleton of cyclostomes are made up of bones. Cartilaginous. So the endoskeleton of cyclostomes are made up of cartilaginous. Second thing, cartilaginous endoskeleton है. Second thing, but vertebral column is there. So they are included in vertebrata. That's why they are the notochord is replaced by vertebral column. So vertebral column is there. Second thing, कि they have the heart, two-chamber heart and all. Then the next one is कि the reproduction phenomena is unique. Why it is so? Because in the reproduction they are reproduced and it's called swamping, laying egg, and reproduction is called swamping. So for the swamping they traveled from marine water to fresh water. Okay, they traveled marine water to fresh water for swamping, means lay egg. They lay egg into the fresh water. Okay, वो fresh water में egg lay करते हैं. Second thing कि after the laying egg they will die. वो egg lay करने के बाद the animals will die, and then the larvas comes out from the egg and they traveled from fresh water to marine water. Means वो अपने native के पास फिर से travel करते हैं. So जो animals हैं for the reproduction or swamping, means egg lay करने के लिए, they are comes into the fresh water from marine, and larvas are comes from the egg. Larvas are traveled from fresh water to marine water. ओके, ये एक यूनिक फिनोमेना है सिर्फ और सिर्फ साइक्लोस्टॉम्स में. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग कि साइक्लोस्टॉम के दो एग्जांपल्स हैं, दे आर लैम्प्री एंड हैगफिश. सो साइक्लोस्टॉम्स आर यूनिक फिनोमेना. दे हैव सकर्स, दे डिवोइड ऑफ स्केल्स, मीन्स एक्सोस्केलेटन एब्सेंट, एंडोस्केलेटन मेड अप ऑफ कार्टिलेज, हार्ट इज देयर, देन reproduction is different, then gill slits are open. So there are so many characteristics of cyclostomes. Okay, lamprey and hagfish are example of cyclostome. Now the next is superclass Pisces. So superclass Pisces have the two different classes. Okay, as you know they have the two different classes. Now this two different classes is according to their endoskeleton. If the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, it's called chondrichthyes fish. And second one is osteichthyes. Okay, so two classes are there, chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. Superclass Pisces have the two different classes. First is chondrichthyes, second is osteichthyes. Okay, now chondrichthyes are classified according to their endoskeleton. they are classified according to their endoskeleton. कि the endoskeleton of chondrichthyes is made up of cartilage and the ostrichthyes की जो endoskeleton है they are made up of bones. Okay, now if you observe the fishes of chondrichthyes and ostrichthyes, there are so many different characteristics are there. So if I am drawing the chondrichthyes fish, so you can easily identify the different characteristics. Okay, and second, ostrichthyes are very easy. Okay, they are very easy in structure. So now if you see the structure of chondrichthyes and ostrichthyes, for the externally, if you see the external features of them up there, you can determine the fish is chondrichthyes or ostrichthyes. Okay, so if you see the chondrichthyes, first of all we see the chondrichthyes fish. If you see the chondrichthyes fish, there is the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. The first character is endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Second, कि they are exclusively marine. હું બીજી વાર બોલું છું. The first thing is कि the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Second, कि the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Second thing कि they are exclusively marine. Okay, so endoskeleton made up is cartilage, exclusively marine. Now the another character or a typical character is कि the skin is the exoskeleton is made up of placoid scale. जो exoskeleton है it is made up of placoid scale. Okay, there is a placoid scale present on their surface and placoid scales are present like curve, like वो थोड़ा कर्व होता है. So if you touch their surface, okay, if you touch their surface area forwardly, उसमें आपको कुछ नहीं होता. But if you spread your hand backwardly, so the spines or the जो backwardly directed होते हैं जो spines, sorry, placoid scales, so आपको वो चुभते हैं. Okay. Second thing कि they have 5 to 7 gill slits. Gill slits. 5 to 7 gill slits and they are open without any operculum. So gill slits are open without any operculum. Second thing, placoid scale है. Second thing कि there is no any accessory respiratory organs. Means उनके अंदर कोई accessory respiratory organ नहीं है. Means जो एयर ब्लैडर होना चाहिए वो एयर ब्लैडर नहीं है. सो दे आर कंटिन्यूसली डीप्ड इनटू द वाटर. ओके, वो कंटिन्यूसली वाटर में डीप रहते हैं एंड द रेस्पिरेशन थ्रू देयर डिसॉल्व ऑक्सीजन, वो डिसॉल्व ऑक्सीजन के थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं और कंटिन्यूसली वाटर सरफेस के नीचे रहते हैं. वो बाहर नहीं आ सकते बिकॉज देयर इज नो एयर ब्लैडर. एसेसरी रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन कोई नहीं है, एयर ब्लैडर नहीं है. सो एयर ब्लैडर इज एब्सेंट. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग कि they have the unequal fin lobe. If you see the fins are unequal tail lobe, rather tail lobe भी बोल सकते हैं, unequal tail lobe. Second thing, they have a copulatory organ. They have the copulatory organ. Okay, so which is helpful in the reproduction. So fertilization is internal. Okay. Second thing, in some cartilaginous fishes like stingray or electric ray fish, they release the shock. और stingray है, उनके पास एक sting है which is toxic. They secrete the toxic material with the sting and which is harmful. Okay, electric ray है, they emits the electric shock to the surrounding environment for the protection. Stingray is also that adaptation is for the protection. So there are the different fishes included in the cartilaginous or contractile species. Okay. Second thing, in this fishes mostly they are oviparous, but some species like shark or dogfish, they are ovoviviparous, means first of all they lay the egg into their body and then they give the birth to the young fishes. Okay, so there is no metamorphosis. So in this fishes, so some are ovoviviparous. Second thing, okay, they are cold-blooded, means poikilothermic. Now what is cold-blooded and what is warm-blooded? If the animal maintain their body temperature, then it's called homeostasis or poikilothermic, warm blooded. Okay, जो warm blooded होते हैं, they maintain their body temperature, फिर surrounding temperature कोई भी हो, okay, atmospheric temperature increase हो या फिर decrease हो, their body's temperature should be stable. Okay, it's called warm blooded animals, means so they are in homeostasis condition, so it's called homeothermic animals or warm blooded animals. Okay, so उनका body temperature maintain रहता है. But the animal who fail in the regulation of their body temperature, if the surrounding environment will increase, their body temperature will also increase and surrounding temperature will decrease, so their body temperature also decreases. So it's called the cold-blooded और poikilothermic animals. वो एटमोस्फियर टेम्परेचर के साथ खुद का टेम्परेचर है वो मेंटेन नहीं रख पाते. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड poikilothermic. वो मेंटेन नहीं रख पाते, वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट वो अपना खुद का टेम्परेचर भी चेंज करते हैं. सो इट्स कॉल्ड cold-blooded. सो द शार्क और कॉन्ट्रैक्टिल स्पीशीज आर cold-blooded. Osteichthyes species are also cold-blooded. Okay, now we move towards the Osteichthyes species. So if you see the Osteichthyes species, the most different thing is कि the mouth is anterior ventral side. Mouth is anterior ventral side. Here the mouth is terminal side. Anterior terminal side mouth है. Okay. Second thing, the tails are equal. Tail fins are equal. Third things, कि the scales are made up of cycloid or ctenoid. CTI. Ctenoid or cycloid type of scales are present on their body surface. Second, the endoskeleton made up of bones. Third one, there are no gill slit. Gills are present, but gills are covered by operculum. Okay, so gill slits are not open. Gills are covered by operculum. Okay. Second thing, they have the paired fins. Second thing, no copulatory organs are present. No copulatory organ. They are also poikilothermic. Okay, and so many different fishes are included in Osteichthyes species. Second, they have a unique phenomena so many Chondrichthyes species have the air bladder. Air bladder helps to respire into the air. Second thing, air bladders are also helpful for buoyancy in the swimming. वो swimming में buoyancy provide करते हैं. Then they helps to breathing in the atmospheric or without water वो उसको respire करने के लिए help करते हैं Osteichthyes species को. So these are the characteristic of Osteichthyes species. So Osteichthyes fish and Chondrichthyes fish both are belonging from superclass Pisces. Okay, so number of Osteichthyes species are large, Chondrichthyes species are less in number. Second thing, Osteichthyes species are marine as well as freshwater, but Chondrichthyes species are always marine. So Chondrichthyes species में कौन सी आती है? Shark, Scoliodon, then hammer-headed shark, great white shark, then stingray, triton, then sawfish, जिसको Pristis बोलते हैं, sawfish, which are the examples of Chondrichthyes fish. And Osteichthyes fish की example भी आपको मालूम है, maybe Labiorhita means रोहू, कटला, मृगल, catfishes, जितनी भी catfish हैं वो, sea horse, these are the example of ostrichthyes fish. Okay, so chondrichthyes fishes and ostrichthyes fishes both are very easy and easy है. ओके, बोथ. एंड जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो आप देख के, दोनों के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है वो आप देख के बता सकते हो कि कितने कितने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिमिलर है और कितने डिसिमिलर है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, द कॉपरेटरी ऑर्गन यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे प्लेकॉइड स्केल नहीं है, यहाँ पे टिनोइड एंड साइक्लॉइड है, यहाँ पे प्लेकॉइड स्केल है. ओके, यहाँ पे गिल स्लिट्स ओपन है, यहाँ पे गिल स्लिट्स ओपरक्यूलम से कवर्ड है. यहाँ पे एयर ब्लैडर नहीं है, यहाँ पे एयर ब्लैडर है. ओके, सो दीज आर दी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड वेरी ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही फेमस है कि गिव द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन ऑस्ट्रिक्थिस एंड कॉन्ड्रिक्थिस फिशेस. दैट्स व्हाई मैंने ये पैरेलली लिया है कि आपको दोनों के जो डिफरेंसेस है वो पता चले. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द साइक्लोस्टॉर्म, कॉन्ड्रिक्थिस एंड ऑस्ट्रिक्थिस फिशेस. ओके, आज यहाँ तक रखता हूँ. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जाएंगे टेट्रापॉड्स के अंदर. ओके, बाय.